What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video gonna learn how to take a picture or a photo on your iPhone without needs of opening the camera app and hitting the button. So we have no need to do this and click into this button, okay? This is a secret camera tip shortcut, okay? So the very first thing to do is subscribe this channel and hit the like button because we bring daily videos about site building, designs, iPhone usage, tutorials, sales, and many more topics to use internet on your favor, to use your telephone on your favor, to use your website on your favor, okay? So please hit the subscribe button, like this video, and leave a comment because I'm sure you're gonna enjoy this tip, okay? So this is a secret on iPhone, okay? This usage is, for example, when you want to take a picture but you don't want to drive attention to you, you don't want that anyone see your big camera opening on your screen, okay? So we want to take a picture in a secret, okay? So like in Spy, for example, 007, 007, 007. So for the very first thing to do is make sure that you have the Shortcuts app installed on your iPhone. In the case that you don't have, just go to App Store and search for Shortcuts, this one. Once right here, we're gonna click on this top right corner plus button, and we're gonna apply a name to our shortcut. Don't type secret camera, type something that any person who is looking to your iPhone screen will not see, okay? So I'm gonna type Visual Modo tip, okay? Now we're gonna add an action, and the action gonna be for apps. Once on apps, I'm gonna scroll this down until I can find the camera app, and we can take a photo or take a video. I want to take a photo. So, add actions, take a photo. Simple as it is, okay? But we have some more things to do. For example, show the camera preview. No, we do not want to show the camera preview. We want to save this photo, so save this photo. No need to resize image, and we are already good to go. Let's review our shortcut. It's right here, but we want to apply this into some part of our screen, okay? So let's do it. We're gonna click and hold over our home screen, click into this plus icon that now appears into the left side, the left top corner of our iPhone. I'm gonna search for shortcuts, and I'm gonna apply my shortcut called Visual Modo Tip. Just right here. Done. And as soon as I click on it, the photo is taken. Remember to remove the volume of our iPhone with the selector that you have, the physical selector. You can just turn it off, okay? And always don't try to hold your phone like you are taking a picture, okay? So do something without driving attention to yourself. Click right here and we are good to go. The photo is taken and save it to our gallery. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out the Visual Modo blog and Visual Modo YouTube channel, full of tips and tutorials. Another good thing to do, besides all of this, it's the fact that we can edit this shortcut in the case that you want, okay? We can duplicate, we can share, we can move, we can see the details. We can pin the menu bar. We can add to home screen right here, by here, okay? We can receive what's on screen, share. Let's see more options. You can resize image. We can apply an if in the case that you need. You can click into this X button to remove. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna leave some links into the first comment of this video for very useful sources or source of information, okay? So places where you can, for example, purchase a domain name for 99 cents, a place where you can download design assets for free like Photoshop templates, design icons, iPhone mockups, design assets for free, and they update this every week, so I recommend that you take a moment to review that. And of course, a place where you can purchase a very cheap hosting platform so you can start building your site. In the case that you are in need of a free WordPress theme and a free WordPress plugin to bootstrap your site and start your designs work, okay? You can go to wordpress.org and search for Anzu and Borderless WordPress plugin. And always go to visualmodo.com in the case that you are in need of some help. Use the comment section if you need some help. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you later. All the best!